5+ decades of innovation. Incorporated in 1968, Setomatic Systems has been a leader in laundry payment technology and innovation for over 5 decades. As we grew throughout our first 2 decades, our products began as either mechanical or electromechanical. However, everything changed in 1976 when we introduced card technology to the coin laundry industry. In 1977, we pioneered the first central control meters that used magnetically encoded cards. In 1984, we introduced electronic drop coin meters with digital displays to the commercial laundry market. By the late 1980s, these units were factory installed by several manufacturers. In the early 90s, we developed and manufactured fully programmable washer and dryer timers for General Electric and Whirlpool Corporation. In 1995, we introduced our chip cash system, a multi-card kit for the vending and laundry industry, allowing any machine to operate with coin, credit debit card, and smart card. In 1998, we were chosen to partner with Mondex, MasterCard, Visa, Chase Bank, and Citibank for the development of unattended laundry and vending terminals. We again redefined the payment experience in 2009 with our most advanced product to date, SpiderWash, which is wireless, cloud-based, and allows for all types of payment directly on the washer and dryer. In 2012, the Planet Laundry magazine named us as that year's industry leader for changing the face of today's self-service laundry industry. In 2020, we introduced our latest version of SpiderWash, which incorporates EMV contact and contactless technology directly on the washers and dryers. With a solid history of innovation, reliability, and longevity for over 5 decades, this third-generation, family-owned and operated business is your perfect laundry payment partner. Contact us to learn more.